Hi there. On this video, I will be more than happy to show you how you can create your Google Reviews widget and embed it on any website. To get started, you will need to have at least a free trial for Embed Reviews Pro Plan, or if you're already subscribed to the Embed Reviews Pro Plan, we can jump right into creating the widget. To get started, click on the Sources tab, and on the top right corner, click Add Source. You would like to select the Google location, and then EmbedSocial will ask you to connect your Google account so we are able to pull the Google reviews from your locations. This test, I will just connect my Google account, which manages the EmbedSocial location. And as you can see here, I've received the confirmation that the account was successfully updated, and I will pull this location to create a widget. Let's click Next. From here, you can choose the ready-to-use templates from our end, or you can start to create a widget from scratch. I'll just use one of the templates that we have here, and within a couple of seconds, I should be able to see the widget created. Here we go. So this particular layout is creating a summary of all the reviews that I have, and here are the rest of the reviews. Everything that you see on this widget is also customizable on the left-hand side. As you can see, we have layout settings, header, cards, filters, and custom CSS, of course, a couple of moderation options, and multiplying, adding more sources to the same widget. So the most important thing to embed the widget is on the top left corner, where you click to the embed and then copy the code and paste it into your website builder and show the widget. This works with WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, any website builders that have the option to embed custom HTML codes into the website or even custom websites. If you need any additional assistance from the customer success team, you can always chat with us on the bottom right corner. Please feel free to click on the chat, write to us, and we will be more than happy to help you. Have a great day.